Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect Canon i-SENSYS LBP673Cdw via Wi-Fi direct to any device. Let's get into it. First off, you need to configure Wi-Fi direct settings in your printer, so use these navigation arrows to select menu and press OK. Go to Preferences, switch to Network and select Direct Connection Settings. Press OK. First of all, enable direct connection, so OK, switch to on, and OK, and once again. You can set the time after which the printer will be disconnected from your devices, so from 1 to 60 minutes, or just switch to 0 to disable this feature. Now go to access point mode settings, and what we do here, we will rename our printer, use custom SSID, so switch it on. And enter your printer's name, use these number keys, just like on old cell phones. To switch between capital and small letters, use entry mode. You can select digits as well. This arrow to go to the previous menu, and also you can switch to symbols. But symbols are not allowed in the printer's name, so enter just letters and digits. The only symbol you can use here is hyphen, like this. So let's enter the printer's name, and once you're done, switch to apply and press OK. Now settings applied. Now let's set up Wi-Fi password or network key, in other words. So switch it on and enter password. You need to enter at least 10 characters, as you can see. Let's use simple password for this example, and once again switch to apply and press OK. Settings applied. Now let's go back from this menu and enable this feature also. Keep enabled if SSID, blah blah blah. So turn it on. Settings applied. Changes effective after the main power is off and on again. So press and hold the power button on your printer to power it off. Now wait until the screen turns off. That's it. And now just press the power button once to activate the printer and wait until it stops making any sounds before continue on your PC or smartphone. To use this printer with a computer, you have to install drivers first. So if you have an optical drive in your computer, you can use this CD that was in the box to install all necessary software. And if you don't have an optical drive, you need to open your web browser and Google search for Canon i-SENSYS, your printer's model, name, and the download word. So perform this Google search and go to any Canon support website. Let's go to the first link. Here is your printer. Scroll down, make sure you are on the drivers tab. Scroll down more and select your operating system. As you can see, you can select Mac OS as well. And then scroll down and find the latest version of the driver. This is my antivirus. Let me ignore it. Scroll down and find the download button. Click on that. Click on this download button and wait for your download. Once it's done, just click on this file to run it. Click yes in this window. My driver is already installed, so if you see this window, it means you already have the driver for this printer, but let me just overwrite everything. So I'm answering yes to each question. So, and the driver is installed, and the next step is to add the printer to your printing system, because sometimes it doesn't happen automatically. So you need to go to Start menu, go to Settings, and start typing printers. Select printers and scanners. Now, as you can see, your printer is not added, so you will not be able to print from different applications. What you need to do is connect to the printer's network now. So open your networks, find your Canon Direct, the network you've just created. Click on Connect, enter your network key, and click Next. Wait for the connection. So now you're connected and you can add device to the system now, but keep in mind that when you connect it to the printer directly, you're disconnected from the internet, so you can browse anything in web. So let's add device. Now the printer is found. Click on add device, wait for connection. Now it's installing some software and that's it. The printer is ready. You can close the settings and now we can print any files from our file system. Since we disconnected from the internet, of course, we can't print emails unless we downloaded it before. So let's go to my downloads folder. I have some PDF file here. Let's open the file, go to menu and click on print. It takes us to the print dialog. Just wait for it. Make sure your printer is selected in this drop-down, and the settings in this window are depending on the application you use. They will be different for each one. So let me just click on properties and show you the printer's settings menu. You can switch between these tabs to set orientation, print two-sided printing, page order, back to front or front to back, set paper, automatically select or multi-purpose tray or just tray 1, select media type, it's plain paper in my case, and color or black and white. Now click on OK, adjust settings in the application window, for example, amount of pages you wish to print. Let's say I wish to print just only 2 pages. So adjust your settings over here. I won't go through them because they're different for each application, and once you're done, just click on print and your document will be printed. To send printing task directly from your smartphone, you don't actually need to install anything. You just need to open your settings, go to Wi-Fi and connect to your Canon direct network. Tap on that. If you connect in for the first time, you will have to enter your network password for this printer, and then you can go to your file system, to files application, for example, find the file you wish to print, tap on share icon, tap on print, and select your printer from this list. Adjust your settings and just tap on print. And that's pretty it. Now you know how to connect your printer directly. I hope this was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, any questions, comments below, and be awesome. Bye guys.